Sunsolar and PV have now fitted over 1,000 residential properties with PV installations. And today I'm in Abbots Kerswell in Devon to speak with Mr. and Mrs. Dunkley, who are a retired couple who have recently had a PV installation. Come on inside and find out what they thought of the installation process. Mr. and Mrs. Dunkley, thanks for talking to me today. When you decided to get a PV system fitted, what made you choose Sunsolar and PV?
Well, we did talk to 3 or 4 firms, but what we found was that Sunsolar was the only firm that was able to answer all our questions. They were always on the end of the phone when we needed them, and it was just a very pleasant process just to work with them, and we felt we were working together to get the best deal, so that's why we went with them.
So how was the fitting process for you?
It was painless really, wasn't it? We'd done all the preliminary work with Scott, and I think because he'd answered and gone through all the bits and pieces that we needed to know beforehand, we were well prepared for what was going to happen. So that was quite reassuring. And then the process when they came, they were very quick, they were very efficient, they were very courteous, very funny, and a joy to be around the place really. And they also were very reassuring because there was a lot of money that from our point of view was going into it, and they were sort of endorsed what we'd heard from the rest of the company and from Scott, that this was the way it was going to be and this is what was going to happen. So we were well prepared and we were well pleased with the way they proceeded and the way they carried out the work, weren't we?
Absolutely delighted. Nice day.
Yes, it was really nice.
Tell me a bit about the financial and environmental gains you have experienced since you've had the system fitted.
We haven't had our full first bill yet, but I've kept a record, and we look to be making at least enough electricity to cover half of our usage. Up until now, we only had them in February this year, so that's 3 or 4 months. So we've got about half covered, and it's not been a very good summer. So we're quite optimistic really that we've had our first payment from the FITS system, and that was more than we thought it was going to be as well.
Would you recommend Sunsolar and PV to other people thinking about getting a system fitted, and why?
Absolutely, I'd say do it. I wish we'd have done it before. I wish we'd done it earlier. And I definitely recommend Sunsolar, because our experience was that we'd had some contact with other companies. When we contacted Sunsolar, they were efficient, they answered all our questions, they were very informative, nothing was too much trouble, they were very courteous, and they produced the goods when they said they were going to. They scheduled our work, and it went very smoothly. And the aftercare from them since the installation has been superb as well, because after the installation took place, we needed the bedding in period, and that helped to have someone at the end of the phone to tell us how it should be going and to checking up that everything was going all right. Isn't it?
Yeah.